Are you looking to take your lawn to the next level this year? Welcome to the Great Green North. My name is Lloyd Murray, and today I'm going to be showing you more great Canadian lawn products that can help take your lawn to the next level this year. So if that sounds like a great idea to you, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button below so you never miss a video. I have never been more excited for a product like this to hit the Canadian lawn care market. And when GrowForge contacted me and told me that they were releasing this product on their website, I was so excited to get it here, and now I'm really excited to put it down and see how it looks. So without further ado, this is the GrowForge Elite Seed Blend from GrowForge. So as I've talked about many times before, when it comes to seeding your lawn, one of the most important things is picking the right grass seed. Grass seed is very similar to dog breeds in the sense where grass seed is bred to be more disease, more drought tolerant, and to have a better overall look, color, and usability regularly, on a regular basis. So there's hundreds of breeds of Kentucky bluegrass out there, and picking an expensive seed to seed your lawn will really give you a difference for years and years to come. Better fertilizer response, better drought resistance, better disease tolerance, all those things. But finding great seed in the Canadian lawn care market has been a difficult thing for the longest time. Well, now thanks to GrowForge, they've partnered out with DLF Pick Seed to create this great seed blend for homeowners. It's going to give you a professional looking lawn with this great, amazing seed blend. So without further ado, let's go over some of the talking points about this seed blend, and then we can tell you how you guys can get your hands on your own. So this blend from GrowForge is broken down of 70% Kentucky bluegrass, 20% boreal creeping red fescue, and 10% Fiesta 4 perennial ryegrass. The chosen bluegrasses in this blend are SR 2100, Mercury, and Fielder. SR 2100 has a germination rate of 14 to 21 days, is known for seeding vigor, disease resistance, drought tolerance, and sod strength due to excessive rhizomes. So when you can pick up a piece of sod and you can hold it, shake it like this, and it doesn't fall apart, that's because of an amazing root system called rhizomes, and that's exclusive to Kentucky bluegrass. And having excessive rhizomes really means that you're going to be able to fill in those thin spots in your lawn, as well as vigor, disease resistance, and drought tolerance is a great thing to have in a seed blend. And I think that's why SR 2100 is the highest level in this seed blend. Mercury Kentucky bluegrass, germination rate 6 to 12 days. It's known for seeding, vigor, disease resistance, dark color, and tolerance to low mowing height, as well as shade tolerance. So this Mercury is very good because it germinates quickly, so it's going to help give you that ground color, as well as the rye. It's going to give you that ground cover to prevent those weeds from invading. Seeding vigor is really good. You want that quick seed to establish as fast as possible. A dark color and low mowing height and shade tolerance is another great thing to have in a blend. Having that shade tolerance to make sure that it can be seeded. We're going to be seeding this in sun and shade. We're going to be checking out the difference between the two. Fielder Kentucky bluegrass, its germination rate is about 7 to 10 days. It's known for rapid establishment, so that's really good. It's going to help give you a quick establishment, drought tolerance, disease resistant, and salt tolerance, and early spring green up. So what I'm really interested in, we're going to be seeding this beside my driveway, and from snow plows there's a lot of salt, and that tends to screw up the pH of your soil. You ever notice that the boulevard on your street is always dying? That's just because of all the crap they put on the road in the winter gets pushed over there by the plow. So a spring green up, a drought tolerance, rapid establishment, really good things. I'm excited to see from this blend when we test it out. The boreal creeping red fescue is added to this blend due to its high drought and shade tolerance. Boreal is a fine fescue and will establish quickly with dense turf. So that's really good. This will establish quick. Again, that's one of the great things that you're fighting with seeding, establishing it quick before your next season of stress, before those weeds try to fight their way in. Finally, the Fiesta 4 perennial ryegrass has a germination rate of 5 to 10 days. It establishes extremely quickly. Fiesta 4 has a fine leaf texture similar to Kentucky bluegrass and spreads by stolon growth. So this is really interesting. So for those of you who don't know, stolons is normally exclusive to a lot of southern grasses, and stolons spread on top of the soil. Rhizomes spread underneath the soil. So it's really cool to see that stolons have been bred into this perennial ryegrass, and this ryegrass can actually spread, because most of the time ryegrass is a clumping variety. So I'm really interested to see how that ryegrass blends in with the Kentucky, and we're going to do a full start seeding on my side yard. We're going to see how this looks. So let's come with the seeding notes from GrowForge. Prepare your soil bed to a light and fireable texture. Broadcast or drop seed. Apply TNT starter at 3 ounces per 1,000 square feet. Roll the area to ensure good seed to soil contact. That's another very important thing. Light, frequent watering to keep the surface moist. Avoid heavy watering. This is a very important thing. A lot of people like to overwater their seed. When you overwater your seed, you're actually starting to wash that seed away. There's nothing holding in that soil. As soon as you're washing your seed away, you're watching the money you spent on your seed disappear, and you won't get the results you want. Apply a second app of TNT starter 3 to 4 weeks after seeding. Begin mowing 4 to 6 weeks, or begin mowing in 4 to 6 weeks at a 2 to 3 inch height of cut. After the first cut, begin balance line at 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet, along with a remainder of the spray program. Slowly lower the height cut down to the desired height after several mowings. Spring and fall are the best time to seed. So what we're going to be doing with this seed brand is we are going to be seeding some test plots. I want to seed this versus a Scott's versus another no-name seed that I have. We're going to see what establishes quickly, what's different between all of them, and which one looks the best. We're going to be doing those in pots. Next, we're going to be seeding this, see how it responds to the GrowForge fertilizers over a period of time, which establishes better. And then finally, we're going to be doing a full test plot on my side yard, seeded 100% with this. And we're going to be seeing how this stands up throughout the year, how fast it established, and that's going to be picking up very soon. So make sure you subscribe. If you want to see how this seed works, try it yourself next year. Subscribe, check out the channel. We're going to be giving this seed the true test. So finally, if you want to get your hands on this elite seed blend to seed this spring or this fall, you can check it out through GrowForge's website. I'll have the link down in the description, and you can get 5% off using code GGN23, and that will also help support the channel at the same time. 5% off the total retail price of this is $150 Canadian for a 10 kilogram bag, and they offer free shipping on all fertilizers with the purchase of 6 liters or more, Canada-wide mix and max project siding, including seed and granular products. Another amazing product from GrowForge. I can't wait to begin to test it out. Make sure you guys check it out in the description below. If you are doing any plan on doing any seeding this year, definitely check this out. We're going to be putting this bad boy to the test. And if you're looking at checking out how this performs before you put it in your own lawn this year, make sure you hit subscribe. We got plenty of great content coming up on this. From the Great Green North, my name is Wade Murray. Thank you guys for watching. As always, any lawn questions, leave a comment down below, or you can email me, greatgreennorthlawncare@gmail.com. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for GrowForge for sending this out. As always, if you want to pick this up, use code GGN23 at checkout at GrowForge to give you 5% off everything in your order. Other lawn tips, other questions, you can email me, greatgreennorthlawncare@gmail.com, or leave a comment down below. You can also submit it through my website, greatgreennorthlawncare.ca. From the Great Green North, my name is Wade Murray. As always, thank you guys for watching, and keep it green. Just the way you like it.